As of this recording, it's the 13th of December 2021, meaning we are pretty much into the midway of the last calendar month of 2021, which means allegedly we are only a few months away from the replacement of the Galaxy S21 series, all the way from the S21, S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. By nature, it should be following the new naming scheme, and it should be the S22 series that we should be seeing hopefully somewhere around February. But within that time, we've been discussing this for a little while, since the rumors, the leaks, and now we've got a much better idea of how things have come together and what we should be expecting. So in this Tech Talk video, we are pretty much going to go through 4 of the core features that you should be excited about when it comes to the release of the Galaxy S22 series. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on our YouTube channel with SamMobile TV. Now, of course, the excitement of a new flagship S series device that's coming out is something that we still get excited about, regardless of how far these traditional solid-state smartphones have come. Yes, we know foldables are really coming into their play, but honestly, these traditional solid-state candy bar smartphones still have their place for giving you a very consistent and strong smartphone experience, with pretty much all the experimentation done out of the way to them compared to what we're seeing on foldables. Yes, the Galaxy S22 series is allegedly meant to be coming out somewhere around February 2022 next year, which is pretty much just 2 months away. We're wrapping up the year now. What are the key elements that we really should be looking forward to? 4 of them should be a new chipset internal performance. Then you should have what is something that is my personal favorite, which is fast charging. And then on top of that, we should really be seeing camera improvements across the board, with finally the main ones being that we are getting proper optical zoom on the base model as well as the mid model for the Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. And then all of that wrapped together, what else do we have to look forward to? Built-in S Pen with the Galaxy S22 Ultra. And we saw this as a first massive big step with the Galaxy S21 Ultra here, having S Pen support, just lacking the ability where the S Pen could be stored into the body of the frame. We saw that with the leaks before. But now, let's start from the top and see what are we going to be expecting out of the 4 when it comes to what to look forward to on the Galaxy S22 series. First is the new generation internal performance and chipset. We've already had Qualcomm announce their new generation chipset, flagship for the year when it comes to these Android processors, and that is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. We had to recommend you watch our video breakdown on it, and it actually leaned into what we should be expecting when it comes to the Galaxy S22 series. Now, we know Samsung splits it into 2. We should be soon very much expecting Samsung to announce their Exynos 2200. We know the performance, as best to our knowledge, should be aligned. It should be on the same manufacturing process, hopefully on 4 nanometers, because Samsung are the ones that are producing the fabrication process to the mass scale for Qualcomm on the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. We're still going to be eager to see what features are enabled on the hardware to software level on the Exynos 2200, but either way, having the latest chipset on a new fabrication process on 4 nanometers, or maybe Samsung might surprise us and actually drop it down to 3 nanometers. Who knows? But those 2 things are something that you should be definitely excited to see across all 3 Galaxy S22 models, from the S22, S22 Plus, and what we're still expecting it to be called S22 Ultra, unless stated otherwise, especially with this next feature that's going to be built into what should be the Ultra model. S Pen support. And not just any S Pen support, but finally we could be seeing the S Pen embedded into the frame and the body of the phone. We saw this to be a very big step with the first S series device being the Galaxy S21 Ultra being given an S Pen support treatment, but it just missed out having an S Pen built into the frame, much like what you see with the Note. But it was early signs that potentially having S Pen support on the first Galaxy S series device was the sign that the Note was going to be put to rest. If it is the case and we do see S Pen built into the S series for the Ultra model, the top tier, whatever it's going to be called, this is something I am eagerly excited about, because as of recently, I just got hold of the Galaxy S21 Ultra, the Galaxy S20 Ultra again. and I just forgot how nice and convenient having an S Pen was built into the frame. That's something I'm really looking forward to seeing on the Galaxy S22 Ultra, whatever it's called. Again, this could be something that is very controversial in terms of officially seeing the Note die out, but only time will tell in that sense. But this is a feature on a hardware level I'm really looking forward to seeing. Camera hardware improvements. Now, this is something that we are really excited and eager to see, because we should be seeing hardware improvements to the rear cameras, but especially on the base model Galaxy S22 and S22 Plus. Let's take this. This is the Galaxy S21. And if you consider the zoom, it's actually using a 64 megapixel wide angle sensor that was using hybrid zoom to get the reach. Not true optical zoom like what you found with the Galaxy S21 Ultra with the 3X and the 10X. To what extent the resolution will be on the new zoom sensors on here is to be seen, and we'll have to wait and see, but it's going to be great to finally get real optical zoom, as well as apparently the main sensor is moving to a new 50 megapixel sensor up from the 12 that was used on the S21 and the S22 Plus. Paired and married with the features that the new chipset is going to be enabling on a hardware level to software level for the camera, I'm very excited to see how this turns out, especially if things like 4K video portrait mode is enabled. And this one I'm saving for last, because this is my favorite feature and something that is very important to me. Again, this video, as it goes live, should be on the 13th of December 2021. So in the next few days, we are going to be putting a video out with a charging test of the Galaxy S21 Ultra versus the Google Pixel 6 Pro and the iPhone 13 Pro Max. And what you're going to realize is that Samsung uses the most efficient 25 watt power delivery PPS charging standard on a smartphone, relative for the fact that this is a 5000 milliamp hour battery. It charges it in double the time compared to the competitors, which is really impressive. So to manage your fear of missing out, especially from the competitors that are pushing charging speeds as high as 120, 65, when it comes to the wattage, Samsung are very efficient in using their charging tech to get you the maximum speed while balancing battery health and giving you full charge in a very good time. 45 watt charging. If rumors are true and we see it, I cannot wait to see what Samsung do with it with a 5000 milliamp hour battery, because end of the day, if they're using 25 watts to near enough charge this phone to 100% charge in pretty much just 1 hour, I'm excited to see what this 45 watt could be doing. Could we see 5000 milliamps charged in the space of 45 minutes to 40? Man, if we get that, I am an excited person when it comes to these 4 features coming to the Galaxy S22 series. Now, we all know until things are officially official, when it's announced, we take it all with a grain of salt, but it is still something to look forward to if any of these core features that we just discussed come on the Galaxy S22 series. Heck, we might even expect a bit more that could make these devices really stand out. Yes, I'm well into foldables, and I'm really excited to see what the 4th generation Fold will bring in the summertime. But until then, to see what is going to come in the next few months to start off 2022's flagship with Samsung, we're looking forward to seeing what the Galaxy S22 series has to offer. Let us know in the comment section below what core features you are looking forward to with the upcoming Galaxy S22 series.